students, as this is the 8th standard English revision sheet. Okay, as we had already told you, we will send you the revision sheets. Like that, we had already sent two revision sheets to the group. Now just we will move for the discussion of the question answers and the pattern of the question paper. First I want to tell you this is of 50 marks. First questions here, fill in the blanks with suitable pronouns. Pronouns means, as already I had told you, a word which is used instead of noun is called as pronouns. There are so many different pronouns are there, relative pronouns, possessive pronouns, so many are there. So here you have to write the appropriate pronoun. Where do dash come from? Okay, where do dash come from means where do you come from? You is the suitable pronoun. These cars are dash, so these cars are mine. Okay, so she had dash sisters have decided to come before teachers. She had her sister, okay, have decided to come before her sister, teachers. The horse fell down and broke dash leg, so its leg. These are all the pronouns which are appropriate that we have to fill here. If I see dash, I would not do it. If I see it, you can write. If I see her, you can write. If I see you, you can write. Anyone you have to write. If I see, I would not do it. If I see it, I would not do it. Shankar is honest and sincere. Everyone likes dash. So person here, him is the correct pronoun. Dash wants to go his village. He wants to go to his village. In the beginning, dash her husband tried to enroll dash in the machinery work school. So in the beginning, her husband tried to enroll her in the machinery school. Possessive pronouns all means ellanu namaga enantandre every what we are filling here all are telling about a person, place or thing. Here we are not taking any name. Instead of that we are taking, that is called as pronoun. This is dash book. This is his book. He met a boy who was very dash kind. Means here he is the pronoun we had filled. Match the idioms given in column A with their meanings in column B. So what we have to do here, they have given some of the idioms. Okay, so in Kannada, as I told you, idioms means naanudi, yav riti naanudi, kalige buddhi helu. Okay, so like that, kalige buddhi helu, it gives allinda od hogodu, par agodu, escape agodu. So like this in English, such phrases, such phrasal verbs are called as idioms. So see here they have given in the good book of to lose one hand at a stone's throw, to add fuel to the matter, to sell like hotcakes, to take my surprise, to bell the cat, to take by surprise, at arm's length by her. These are all they have given in column A. And column B, at a short distance, at a distance, to worsen the matter completely, to memorize, to lose the power of thinking, to have a very good sale, in favor with, to take a lead in a risky step, to catch suddenly. Now we will move for the answer. So first one, in the good books of means, that is to have very good sale. So a good books of means to take a lead in a risky stage. Okay, jawabdarinu tagolodu. To lose one hand means to have a very good sale. Valle vyapara agodu. To lose one hand. To lose one hand means to have, means at a stone's throw anta helidre, that at a short distance, tumba kadime distance alli irodu. To add fuel to the matter means what's going on, ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಇನ್ನಷ್ಟು ನೀವೇನೋ ಆ್ಯಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀರಿ. To add fuel to the matter means that is ಟು ವರ್ಸನ್ ದ ಮ್ಯಾಟರ್ ಕಂಪ್ಲೀಟ್ಲಿ, ಇನ್ನಷ್ಟು ಇದ್ದಂಥ ಪರಿಸ್ಥಿತಿಯನ್ನು ಹದಗೆಡಿಸೋದು. ಟು ಸೆಲ್ ಲೈಕ್ ಹಾಟ್ ಕೇಕ್ಸ್, ತುಂಬ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ವ್ಯಾಪಾರ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ. ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ಟು ಸೆಲ್ ಲೈಕ್ ಹಾಟ್ ಅಂತೇಳಿ ತುಂಬ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ವ್ಯಾಪಾರವಾಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ, ಟು ಟೇಕ್ means to have a very good sale. Okay, then so let's move for the answer one more time. See here, first one, in the good books of means in favor with. To lose one hand means to lose the power of thinking, ಯೋಚನೆ ಶಕ್ತಿಯನ್ನು, ವಿಚಾರ ಶಕ್ತಿಯನ್ನು ಕಳೆದುಕೊಳ್ಳೋದು. At a stone's throw, that is at a stone's throw means at a short distance, ತುಂಬ ಕಡಿಮೆ ಅಂತರದಲ್ಲಿರೋದು. Then to add fuel to the matter ಅಂದರೆ ವಿಷಯಕ್ಕೆ ಇನ್ನಷ್ಟು ತುಪ್ಪ ಸೇರಿಸೋದು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದರೆ, ವಿಷಯವನ್ನು ಇನ್ನಷ್ಟು ಹದಗೆಡಿಸೋದು. ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಟು ವರ್ಸನ್ ದ ಮ್ಯಾಟರ್. ಟು ಸೆಲ್ ಲೈಕ್ ಹಾಟ್ ಕೇಕ್ಸ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದರೆ ಅಂದರೆ ಟು ಸೆಲ್ ಲೈಕ್ ಹಾಟ್ ಕೇಕ್ಸ್ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ಟು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಅ ಗುಡ್ ಸೇಲ್, ಒಳ್ಳೆ ಒಂದು ಸೇಲನ್ನು ಆಗೋದು. ಓಕೆ, ಟು ಬೆಲ್ ದ ಕ್ಯಾಟ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದರೆ, ಸೊ ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಟು ಬೆಲ್ ದ ಕ್ಯಾಟ್ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ here means they have given you the idioms, that is to catch suddenly. Then to take by surprise, to take by surprise at a distance, at arm's length, at arm's length they have given, that is also in a very short distance. By heart means memorize. Okay, like this they have given you, you have to do that properly. Use the appropriate articles. Okay, Loch Ness is dash most famous lake in the Scotland. So as about articles I would like to tell you, as there are three types of means three kinds of a, an and the. Okay, these are also called as determiners. So Loch Ness is the most famous lake in Scotland. The we are using when we are speaking about the popular monuments and before the higher authorities, and also we are using when we are speaking about the universal truths. So here we are using the. Dash summer of 1996 was hot and dry. The summer of 1996 was hot and dry. I need dash blue pen. So here a blue pen is the right answer. Then Leipzig has dash airport means a word which is beginning with an vowels. Before that we are using an. A and an always tells us about the singular. So here Leipzig has an airport. Airport, it is beginning with vowels, so it is airport, an airport. I need a blue pen. Leipzig has an airport. My father is an dash honest person. Why we are using here honest means, see here, honest, before that honest we have used honest ಗಿಂತ ಮುಂಚೆ ನಾವೇನು ಮಾಡೇವಂತಂದ್ರಲ್ಲೇ we have used an, because here the pronunciation of honest is very important. So here we are using an honest. Honest ಅಂತ ಪ್ರೊನೌನ್ಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ಲ, we are pronouncing here as honest, so it gives us the pronunciation of vowel. So before that one we are using an honest. Okay, let's move for the answer the following questions. So who was Meghavahana? Meghavahana was the great grandson of, okay, so as already we had discussed about the question answers when we are discussing about the lesson. Okay, as the question is who was Meghavahana, I told that we had already discussed in the lesson. So Meghavahana was the great grandson of former king of Kashmir. Okay, he was the great grandson of the former king of Kashmir. Why did Meghavahana want to conquer the island of Lanka? So why he wanted to conquer? See here, Meghavahana saw some sort of human sacrifice in the progress on the steps of a temple of Chandrika. That's why he wanted to conquer island of Lanka. Why is the merchant's son called a stupid boy? So this is from the lesson, a boy who sold his wisdom. So here Babu, a merchant's son, was a stupid boy. He heard the wisdom seller and did not know what was really being sold. He thought wisdom was some kind of vegetables or thing he could hold in his hand. Means even he didn't have that much of idea that we can't measure wisdom and we can't even sell that one. Name the teams that are to play the cricket match in the lesson. This is from the before the match lesson, and as already we had, I think you had all seen the Malgudi Days serial, which was very famous. So from that only this one is chosen. So MCC, that is Malgudi Cricket Club, and another local youth team called the YMU, Young Meets Union, are two teams play the cricket match. What did the falcon suggest to the king one day? One day, this is from the lesson Sindbad. Okay, so one day the falcon said that it was the right time for hunting. The king liked her suggestion and went on hunting expedition. So as falcon was a very nearer and closer to the king, so it suggests king to go for hunting. So he went for the hunting. What are we missing in broad daylight? So this is from Laser. We miss to see streams full of stars like skies and night. Means in this poem, as the poet is telling that we are not using the time properly, means we are only spending our time only in earning money. We are not enjoying the nature, the beauty of the nature. So here we miss to see streams full of stars like skies and night. What is the meaning of fleck of russet? This is from apple picking. So fleck of russet means a very small area of reddish brown color depicting the color of the apple. Means as you all had seen the color of the apple, it is not red, it is not means chocolate and that. So mixture of that both is called as, that is fleck of russet. Question, write the name of the poet of the poem Palkin Bearers. Sarojini Naidu, who is also called as the Nightingale of India. Sarojini Naidu is the poetess of the poem Palkin Bearers. In this she had explained very nicely about the Palkin Bearers, okay, about the bride, okay, what are the emotions, what are the feelings the Palkin Bearers are having in their mind. She had explained very nicely. How does Palkin Bearers carry the bride? The Palkin Bearers carry the bride in a light and smooth manner. They will carry her as a flower. Okay. So, why could Swami not attend the practice in the evening? Every evening there was drill class, scouting and some school activity of other. So, Swami not attend the practice in the evening. So, this is also means here Swami is not attending, means every day they will have the class like drill, scout and all. That's why he couldn't attend. Okay, answer the following questions in a paragraph. Okay, how did Swami manage to get the permission of drill master? Swami has missed many practice sessions of the cricket match and there is only one more week for the match against YMU cricket team. Rajan has already given a stern warning to Swami. Hence Swami is determined to miss his drill class in school. He knows that his drill master will not let him go easily, so he pretends to be ill when the master refuses to let him off. He keeps following him, making the same request. Finally, the drill master, who is annoyed, asks him what is his problem. Swami claims to be suffering from delirium. He says that he was unable to sleep even a wink the previous night. He adds that his doctor and advised him not to attend for a week. So here this was a very nice lesson. Okay, even they wanted, Swami was a very good cricket player, they wanted to win the match. So and even he was unable to attend the evening classes because of, as already I told you, drill class was there and drill master was very strict. He was not given permission from drill master, so he had means drill master means advised Swami or ordered Swami to attend drill class every day. Okay, that's why he had to find out some reason for that. Like this, he managed to get the permission from the drill master. What made the king cry aloud? Okay, a very nice story. So wow, what is the reason the king cried aloud? The king was thirsty. He wandered about and did not find any water. Finally, he found some kind of liquid dripping down a tree. He mistook it for water. He collected the liquid and tried to make the falcon drink it. But the falcon overturned the cup twice. Neither did she allow the horse to drink. The king became angry and cut off the wings of the falcon. The falcon showed him the source of the dripping liquid. It was poison dripping from a viper sleeping up on the tree. The falcon bore its pain till they returned to the camp. Then she gasped for the breath and died. The king realized that a great mistake. He had killed it. It's his pet falcon, which that solved his which had great which had solved his life, saved his life, which has saved his life. He cried out about in repentance. So here, as most of the stories we had seen in the story of mongoose and a lady, even she also misunderstood the mongoose and she she killed the mongoose. A very nice story. Here also the king didn't observe why the falcon did like this, because the falcon was a very smart, intelligent bird, so it understood that liquid like poison is coming from a snake. That's why it had overturned. But before without thinking anything, he had cut its wings. That's why afterwards he felt very sad and cried aloud. So like this, answer the following in a paragraph, means you have to answer the following in a paragraph only, because 5 marks will be there. So your full point, punctuations plays very important role, your handwriting, everything will be considered. So when you are writing long answers, be careful students. Okay, next, read the extract and answer the following questions. So see here, first one, there was only one who caused him the deepest anxiety day and night. Okay, just you have to think from which lesson this one is chosen. Who caused Rajam the deepest anxiety? This is from the lesson before the match. So who caused Rajam the deepest anxiety? Swami caused Rajam the deepest anxiety as he could not attend cricket practice session in the evening. Why was this so? Every evening Swami had drill class or scouting or some other school activity that was compulsory. So as already we had discussed about this lesson, every day he was having different classes, so he didn't get permission from the drill master. So he said the above sentence. After this we will move for the complete the poem. As I told you to learn the poem Palakin Bearer, which is very important poem written by Sarojini Naidu. Any stanza of the poem will be given for writing, and write an essay. I had given you essays. In that, any one essay I will give you, and even in the I told you which essay you have to read. Write a letter application to your principal asking for leave. Okay, so you have to write an application to the principal. These are also carry 4 marks. So while you are writing application, you have to be very concentration about to address, from address, and salutation. Means first paragraph should be salutation, second will be the body of the letter, and third will be the gratitude, thanking you will be there. Okay, and when you are writing an essay, there also you have to be very much concentration. Essay baribekadre it should contain a lot of matters relevant to the subject. Okay, then only you will get 4 marks. Okay, and you have to be careful about you have to be very much alert about the time sense, about the handwriting and everything. I think everyone understood this pattern. Okay, follow this means practice this pattern promptly and write properly your essay 1 exam. Best of luck.